This channel gained over 1.6 million subscribers just by posting AI insect videos. And almost every single video gets millions of views. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create these videos using AI. Let's get started. First, go to the link in the description and copy the master prompt. Then open ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and run it. Now ChatGPT will generate multiple image prompts and matching video prompts. Next, go to Flow AI. We'll start with image generation. Copy any image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Choose your settings. Aspect ratio, 9:16. Resolution, high quality. Model, Nano Banana Pro. Now click Generate, and within seconds, your image is ready. Take a look. It looks clean, realistic, and eye-catching. Now let's turn this into a video. Go to the video generation section. Upload the image we just created. Then copy the video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Choose how many outputs you want and click Generate. And just like that, your AI video is ready. Take a look at this. It looks super realistic and highly engaging. I created multiple videos using this same method, and they perform really well. Now here's the best part.
You get 150 credits every day.
And image generation is completely free. So you only need credits for video generation, which means you can create content every single day. If you want to try this yourself, check the link in the description. And if this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. I'll show you more powerful AI methods like this. See you in the next video.